Namaste, my dear children. Welcome to distance learning sessions through videos. This video is made for class 4, subject maths, chapter number 2, addition and subtraction. And this is 11th and final session on this chapter. So, I had given you the solutions of revision exercises in the previous session in PDF format. So all the questions in the first part of this revision exercises were straightforward and simple. And today we will answer the second half of revision exercises, second part. We will discuss some word problems in this exercise. I had given the solutions for all these. Now let us continue from question number 4. Solve the following word problems. A. If 23,456 people visited a museum in January, 21,300 in February, and 19,999 in March. Find the total number of people who visited the museum during these 3 months of that year. In this question, number of people visiting a museum in the months of January, February and March of a year are given. We have to find the total number of people visited the museum during those 3 months. Let us do that now. Solution. The number of people who visited the museum in January is 23,456. Let us write down these numbers one below the other to find the total number of people visited in those 3 months. In February, the number of people visited the museum was 21,300. And in March, 19,999 people were visited the museum. So we have to add these 3 numbers to find the total number of people who visited the museum in those 3 months of that year. Let us add and find the total number of people. Starting from ones place, 6 plus 0 is 6, 6 plus 9 is 15. We will write 5 here and 1 is carried forward. 1 plus 5 is 6, 6 plus 9 is 15 again. Write 5 here, 1 is carried forward. 1 plus 4 is 5, 5 plus 3 is 8. And 8 plus 9 is 17. Write 7 here and 1 is carried forward. 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 plus 9 is 14. 4 is written here and 1 is carried forward. 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6. It is 64,755 people were visited the museum in those 3 months, that is January, February and March of a particular year. Second question, B. The number of children who were provided meals under the midday meal scheme in 2 districts is 1,45,900 and 97,890. Find the total number of students under the scheme. Here the number of children who are under the scheme of midday meal of two districts are given. We have to find the total number of students who are under this scheme. Solution. The total number of students under the midday meal scheme is equal to 1,45,900 plus 97,890. So we have to add these two numbers to find the total number of students who are under this scheme. So let us write down these numbers one below the other appropriately according to their place values for addition, and then we will add these numbers to find the total number of students. Let us add these numbers now. 0 plus 0 is 0. Coming to tens place, 0 plus 9 is 9. 9 plus 8 is 17. 7 is written here and 1 is carried forward. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 7 is 13. 1 is carried forward. 1 plus 4 is 5 and 5 plus 9 is 14. 4 is written here, 1 is carried forward. 1 plus 1 is 2. So the total number of students or children under the scheme of midday meal is 2,43,790, which is the total number of students. Coming to third question, C. A truck travelled 7,900 kilometers, 12,980 kilometers and 45,670 kilometers in 3 consecutive years. Find the total distance travelled by the truck in the 3 years. Here the distance travelled by a truck in the 3 consecutive years is given. We have to find the total distance travelled by the truck. Solution. Let us add the distances travelled by the truck in the 3 years to find the total distance. Let us write down the given distances. That is 7,900 and 12,980, 45,670. All these distances are in kilometers. Let us add these numbers to find the total distance. Adding zeros, 0 plus 0 plus 0. In one column you get 0. 0 plus 8 is 8 and 8 plus 7 is 15. I write 5 here. 1 is carried forward. 9 plus 9 plus 9. 9 plus 9 is 18. 18 plus 9 is 27. 27 plus 1 is 28. 8 is written here. 2 is carried forward. 2 plus 7 is 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. 11 plus 5 is 16. I write 6 here. 1 is carried forward. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 4 is 6. So the total distance travelled by the truck is 66,850 kilometers. Next question, D. What must be added to 45,009 to get 1,67,777? Solution. To find the required answer, subtract 45,009 from 1,67,777. So as per the given question here, so what must be added to this number to get the other number? That means if you subtract the given number from the sum, you will get the other number. So let us do that now. Let us write down the given numbers one below the other for subtraction, and let us subtract to find the required answer or the other number which is to be added with the given number to get the 1,67,777 as sum. Let us subtract now. Subtracting 9 from 7 is not possible. You have to regroup, make this a 6, and this now becomes a 17 once. Subtracting 9 from 17, you get 8. Here, subtracting 0 from 6, you get 6. And subtracting 0 from 7, you get 7. Subtracting 5 from 7, you get 2. Subtracting 4 from 6, you get 2. And we don't have any digit here, which is to be treated as 0. And subtracting 0 from 1, you get 1. So 1,22,768 must be added to 45,009 to get 1,67,777. So this is the required other number which is to be added with this number to get 1,67,777 as sum. Next question. E. If the sum of a number and the greatest 5-digit even number is 3,67,888, find the number. So here, sum of a number which is not known, we have to find this, and the greatest 5-digit even number. So this number and the greatest 5-digit even number, if we add these two, the sum should be equal to 3,67,888. So we have to find that number. Solution. The greatest 5-digit even number is 99,998. To find the required answer, subtract 99,998 from 3,67,888. So here, to find the other number which is asked in this question, so we have to subtract the greatest 5-digit even number, that is 99,998 from 3,67,888. Let us do that now. So what we do now is we will subtract this 99,998 from 3,67,888 to get the required number. Let us subtract now. Subtracting 8 from 8, you get 0. Subtracting 9 from 8 is not possible. Regroup, make this a 7, and this now becomes 18. And subtracting 9 from 18, you get 9. And subtracting 9 from 7 is not possible. Regroup, make this 6, and this now becomes 17. Subtracting 9 from 17, you get 8. And subtracting 9 from 6 is not possible. Again, you have to regroup, make this 5, and now this can be made 16. Subtracting 9 from 16 you get 7. Again you have to regroup. This will be 2 and you make this 15. Now subtract 9 from 15, you get 6. Here 2 is left. Write 2 here. So 2,67,890 plus 99,998 is equal to 3,67,888. So this is the required number. It is 2,67,890 is the required answer for this question. Next question. F. If the sum of two numbers is 5,22,345 and one of the numbers is 1,89,009, find the other number. Here sum of two numbers is given. Also one of those two numbers is given. We have to find the other number. Come on, let's find. Solution. To find the other number, subtract 1,89,009 from 5,22,345. Since it is said in the question, sum of two numbers is this. This is the sum. And this is one of the addends. So, to get the other addend, so what you should do is subtract this addend from the sum, you will get the other number. Let us do that now. Let us write down the numbers one below the other appropriately for subtraction. And then we will subtract to find the other number. Let us subtract now. Starting from 1's place. Subtracting 9 from 5 is not possible. We have to regroup. Make this 3 and this as 15. 15 ones. Subtracting the 9 ones from 15 ones, you get 6 ones. Here 3 minus 0 is 3. Again 3 minus 0 is 3. Here 2 minus 9 is not possible. We have to regroup. Make this 1 and this as 12. Now subtracting 9 from 12 you get 3. Subtracting 8 from 1 is not possible. Regroup. Make this 4 and this as 11. Now subtract 8 from 11 you get 3 and subtracting 1 from 4 you get 3. So 3,33,336 plus 1,89,009 is equal to 5,22,345. This is what is required. This will be the addition statement. So here the other required number is 3,33,336. So on adding this to the given number, you will get the sum. So like this, such problems can be solved very easily. Now let us move to the next section of this exercise, that is mental maths. Choose a digit from the box and fill in the blanks. So the digits from 0 to 9 are given in this box. We have to choose the appropriate digit to fill in the blanks given in these statements from 1 to 8. Let us begin from first. Dash hundreds are added to 7,654 to give 7,954. Look here. So when you observe these two numbers, only the digit at the hundreds place is changed. That is, here we had 600s and here we have 900s. So how many hundreds to be added to 600s to get 900s? Yes, we have to add 300s. So we should write 3 here. 300s are added to 7654 to get 7954. Let's move to the second question. The sum of dash thousands and dash hundreds is 6500. Look at this number. There are 6000s and 500s, isn't it? So we should write 6000s and 500s. Question number 3. 2300s is the same as dash thousands added to 300s. So here we have 2300s. 2300s is nothing but 2300s. So therefore it should be 2000 here. We should write 2 here. So 2000s added to 300s, you will get 2300s or 2300s. Question number 4. Dash more than 6989 is 6996. So dash more than this. So if you add what is to be added to this number to get 6996? Yes, you have to add what? 7. That is 7 more than 6989, you will get 6996. Coming to question number 5. Dash tens added to 5420 is 5500. Look here. So how many tens are to be added to this number to get 5500? Yes, this is just 80 less than 5500. So you should add 8 tens. You will write 8 here. 8 tens added to 5420 is 5500. Coming to question number 6. 7200 plus 270 is the same as 7870 decreased by dash hundreds. So yes, what you get on adding 7200 and 270? Yes, you get 7470. Here we have 7870. So 7870 decreased by how many hundreds? 4 hundreds. You will get 7470. So you should write 4 here, 400s. Coming to question number 7. Dash subtracted from 6700 is the same as 150 added to 6550. So what you get if you add 150 to 6550? So you will get 6800, isn't it? If you add 150 to 6550, you will get, so on adding 100 you will get 6650. Again adding 50 you will get 6700, isn't it? So you will get 6700 on adding 150 to this number. So here also we have 6700. So dash subtracted from 6700 is the same as 150 added to 6550. So we should subtract 0 because we will get the same number here. So 0 subtracted from this number will give you the sum of these two numbers. Coming to question number 8. dash thousand increased by dash ones is 1009. So dash thousand increased by dash ones. Here we have 1009. Therefore, 1000 increased by 9 ones is 1009. So you should write 1 and 9 in these blank spaces. This is how you fill these blanks using your mind, not writing on the paper. Coming to HOTS questions, higher order thinking type questions, fill in the missing numbers. So here we have to fill in these missing numbers. So this is addition sum. So on adding 7, 8 and 5, what do you get? 7 plus 8 is 15. 15 plus 5 is 20. So 0 is written here. 2 is carried forward, isn't it? So 0 should be written here. And that carry should be added to these numbers here. So 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 and 7 plus 7 we get 14. 14 plus 6 will be 20 again. You will write 0 here. Again you have 2 as carry. And 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 plus 6 is 7 plus 6 is 13. And to get 9, so there should be 6 here. 13 plus 6 will be 19. You will get 9 here. So there should be 6 in this blank space. And when you write 9 here, 1 is carried forward. Add that to this number. That is 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 5 is 8. And to make it 9, there should be 1 here. 8 plus 1 is 9. Now we will add these numbers. 3 plus 1 is 4. You have 6 here as sum. So 4 plus 2 will be 6. So you should write 2 here. So like this, you have to answer such questions. Question number 2. Here there is a blank space here. And if you observe the sum here, all the digits are 8. So by adding these digits in each columns, the sum should be equal to 8. Let us do that now. So here on adding 6 and 1 you get 7. So you should write 1 here to make it 8. On adding 5 and 1 you get 6. You need 2 more to make it 8. Write 2 here. Adding 4 and 3 here you get 7. You need 1 to make it 8. Here 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. So you will write 2 here. Here again 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. This is so easy. Now let us move to the other two questions in HOTS questions. So here I have solved this. Just go through this and understand. These two are subtraction problems. So here subtracting 5 from 1 is not possible. So we will regroup. We will make this 5 and we will make this 11. Subtracting 5 from 11 you get 6. And here we are left with 5. You cannot subtract 8 from 5. So you need to regroup again. To make this 5 as 4 and this will become now 15. Subtracting 8 from 15 you get 7. And here you cannot subtract 9 from 4. You will regroup again. You will make this 7 and you will make this 14. Subtracting 9 from 14 you get 5. And subtracting 0 from 7 you get 7. So here to get 6 we have to subtract 1 from 7 you get 6. Like this we can fill this. Coming to the fourth question, 0 minus 0 is 0 and subtracting 9 from 0 is not possible. We have to regroup. So again we have 0 here. We will move to the other digit. We will make this 8 and this will become 10 now. So again you will make this 9 and you make the digit at 10's place as 10. Now subtracting 9 from 10 you get 1 and subtracting you need 9 here. So you must subtract 0 from 9 you get 9. To get 7 here you have to subtract 1 from 8 you will get 7 and here subtracting 1 from 8 to get 7. Next we have cross-curricular connect. So here we learn how to form palindrome numbers. So before going to form palindrome numbers, let us understand the meaning of the word palindrome. So here, palindrome is a word, phrase or sentence that reads the same backward as forward. ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ಯಾಲಿಂಡ್ರೋಮ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ಫ್ರೇಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸೇ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷಲ್ಲಿ ಲಿಟ್ರೇಚರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಪ್ಯಾಲಿಂಡ್ರೋಮ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಡಿನ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ಅದೇನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ನೀವು ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಅಥವಾ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಯಾವ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಓದಿದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಗಗನ, ನಯನ, ಸೊ ಈ ಥರ ವಿಕಟ ಕವಿ ಅಂತೆಲ್ಲ ಕೆಲವು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವು ಪದಗಳಿವೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಮುಂದಿನಿಂದ ಅಥವಾ ಹಿಂದಿನಿಂದ ಯಾವ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಓದಿದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಅದೇ ಪದ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸಚ್ examples. Some examples of palindromes are given below. So madam, you may read this as M-A-D-A-M or from right to left M-A-D-A-M. So if you read from left to right, you will get madam, or if you read from right to left, you will get madam. Such words are called palindrome. So here we have race car. Either you read from left to right or right to left, you will get race car. Mom, M-O-M, M-O-M. So on both sides you will get the same word. So in maths also we can have such numbers. Either you read from for left to right or right to left, you must get the same number. Let us see. So in mathematics, a palindrome is a number that reads the same forward and backward. For example, 454. You read forward or backward, you will get 454. This is 6226 from left to right. When you read from right to left, you will get 6226. Same. And this is 79,197 from left to right. And going from right to left, you will get 79,197, same number, and so on. We can write many such numbers. Let us now learn to make palindrome numbers. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಈ ಪ್ಯಾಲಿಂಡ್ರೋಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸನ್ನು ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಹೇಗೆ, ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ನಾವೀಗ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಬೈ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್. ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1, ಟೇಕ್ ಎನಿ ನಂಬರ್, ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ನಂಬರ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಲೈಕ್ ಆಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಸ್ 623 ನಂಬರ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎ ಪಾಲಿಂಡ್ರೋಮ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ. ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ 2, ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ದ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ ಟು ಒಬ್ಟೈನ್ ಅನದರ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಈಗೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಮೊದಲೇನು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ 623 ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಅದನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಪಲ್ಲಿ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 3 2 6, ರಿವರ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ದ ಪ್ಲೇಸಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್, we will get another number. Step 3, add the two numbers. We have to add these two numbers now. 623 plus 326. ಈ ಎರಡು ನಂಬರ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾವೀಗ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಆನ್ ಆ್ಯಡಿಂಗ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ 949, ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಪ್ಯಾಲಿಂಡ್ರೋಮ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಈಗೇನಾಯಿತು, ನಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಯಾಲಿಂಡ್ರೋಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಬಂತು. ಸೊ ಈ ರೀತಿ ನೀವು ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡು ಆ ನಂಬರನ್ನು ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ನ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಆ ನಂಬರ್ಗೆ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಯಾಲಿಂಡ್ರೋಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟ್ರೈ ವಿತ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಅದರ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟ್ರೈ ವೆದರ್ ಯು ಗೆಟ್ ಪ್ಯಾಲಿಂಡ್ರೋಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ದೀಸ್ 3 steps. Further, sometimes you may not get a palindrome number in one addition. So repeat the steps until you get a palindrome number. Let us see the following example. See here, when you take a 4-digit number 7692 Reversing the order, you will get 2967. On adding these two numbers, you will get 10659, which is not a palindrome. If you read from right to left, you will not get the same number. So now what you should do is take this sum as the first number, reverse the digits. Here you have 10659. Reverse the digits and write. From right to left, you can write 10659. Add these two numbers. You will get a sum. Again, observe these digits. This is not a palindrome number. ನೀವು ಎಡದಿಂದ ಬಲಕ್ಕೆ ಓದಿದಾಗ ಅಥವಾ ಬಲದಿಂದ ಎಡಕ್ಕೆ ಓದಿದಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎ ಪ್ಯಾಲಿಂಡ್ರೋಮ್. ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿ, ರಿಪೀಟ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್. ಈ ನಂಬರ್ನ ಮತ್ತೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸನ್ನು ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 106,260 ಇದೆ, ಅದು ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ಡರಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀರಿ. ಈ ಒನ್ನನ್ನು ಮೊದಲು ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ 0 ಇಲ್ಲಿ, 6 ಇಲ್ಲಿ, 2 ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಮತ್ತು 6 ಇಲ್ಲಿ, 0 ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ರಿವರ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ದ ಪ್ಲೇಸಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು, ನಂತರ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಸೊ ಆನ್ ಆ್ಯಡಿಂಗ್ ದೀಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಎ ಸಮ್. ನವ್ ಯು ಲುಕ್ ಅಟ್ ದೀಸ್ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್. 168861. ಈ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಬಂದರೂ ಕೂಡ 168861. or this number is 1,68,861 from left to right. Coming from right to left also you get 1,68,861. So this is a palindrome number. So ಈ ರೀತಿ palindrome ನಂಬರ್ಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Taking any number and then reversing the places of the digits, adding those two numbers, you will get a palindrome number. If it is not a palindrome, repeat the steps several times until you get a palindrome number. So like this you can form palindrome numbers. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned all the questions we discussed in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye children.